IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning. Even if we are using this terminology, all these indicates that we will need less of human beings to do repetitive work and more of technology will be used and replaced, like robots.
फ्री लाइव YouTube सेशंस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशंस प्रेस ऑन द बेल आइकॉन.
I am very happy that ArthSanket is organizing this Digital India 2020 Business Sustainability in Industry 4.0. Yes, all of us are now talking about Industry 4.0 and it has already set in, and as part of an educational institute, being a director of an engineering college, I feel the importance and need is really tremendous now, because IR4, as you all see, is characterized by automation, IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning. Even if we are using this terminology, all these indicates that we will need less of human beings to do repetitive work and more of technology will be used and replaced, like robots will come in picture. Labor who has to do repetitive monotonous work will be replaced by robots. Programming skills will be required more because these robots will have to be programmed, or the machines will be working on programs. So the digital skill sets are very essential, and more of the important thing is that the routine work which human brain does will be done by these technologies, which will replace human being to some extent. So as a part of education institute, where, as I said, in an engineering college, as a director, when I think about these changes, I feel that we have to focus on how to develop the graduates who will pass out to face the world in Industry Revolution 4. So the technologies which I have mentioned, like blockchain or artificial intelligence or automation with IoT, and lot of new terminology which has set in, we have to make our graduates prepared in this skill set, and all this has to be part of the curriculum right from first year when they entered in engineering, and the 4 years where we give them rigorous training as engineer, and the passing out to become employable. Every step we have to think of how we can equip them, make them knowledgeable about the new skill set required to face these challenges. There will be more scope for innovation, creativity. New things have to be developed. That is where human brain will be required. The time which will be saved by robots working for you, right? The time which will be saved by prediction done through machine learning and artificial intelligence. So all that has to be used by the human brain to become innovative and develop new things. Important thing is Digital India is start of IR4. We see now everyone has learned to do the money transfer through their mobile phones. Maybe 2 years ago, if you have talked about it, everyone would have said in India it's not possible. But now everyone does it easily, right? So such automations will happen, and we have to prepare our graduates in such skill sets. Another thing which I would like to put over here is we should prepare our graduates in such a way that they are in a growth mindset. They're always ready to learn new things and face new challenges, because world is always going to change, and change is something which is constant. So if we have to prepare our graduates for IR4, we have to be making them set a growth mindset where they are ready to take up risk, ready to take challenges, and of course ready to have their own startups, new products, innovative products which they can bring in the market, and again make people more comfortable and give technology, develop technologies which will give birth to newer advanced technologies. I think this sort of skill set has to be set in, and the whole education system has to think of a better curriculum, better facilities on the campus to develop these skill sets, advanced laboratories, advanced infrastructure, and of course training, retraining of the faculty so that this objective can be achieved. I would like to thank ARTHSANKET for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts on this topic of Industry Revolution 4. Thank you so much.
आपल्या सगळ्यांना विनंती आहे की आपण जास्तीत जास्त लोकांपर्यंत हा कार्यक्रम पोहोचवा. इंडस्ट्री 4.0 मध्ये प्रचंड बदल घडलेले आहेत. जसं मी मगाशी सांगितलं की 10 वर्षामध्ये हे 3.0 आणि 4.0 ला आलेले आहे, आणि आपल्या लोकांमध्ये हा जास्तीत जास्त अवेअरनेस व्हावा हे आमचं उद्दिष्ट होतं. त्यासाठी आपण हा कार्यक्रम केला, आणि आपण जर जास्तीत जास्त लोकांपर्यंत हे पोहोचवलं तर त्यांच्यामध्ये सुद्धा अवेअरनेस होईल. नवीन प्रकारच्या नोकऱ्या ज्या येणार आहेत, नवीन प्रकारचं जे तंत्रज्ञान आलेलं आहे, नवीन प्रकारचे जे व्यवसाय येणार आहेत, त्याच्यासाठी आपल्या मराठी बांधवांना मदत होईल या कार्यक्रमामुळे. आपल्या सर्वांना मी विनंती करतो की हा कार्यक्रम जो आहे तो जास्तीत जास्त शेअर करा.
फ्री लाइव YouTube सेशंस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशंस प्रेस ऑन द बेल आइकॉन.
मेड इन स्वदेशी ॲप. खरंच चायना प्रॉडक्टचा बहिष्कार हे अर्थव्यवस्था सुधारण्यासाठी एकमेव उत्तर होऊ शकतं तर नाही. हा फक्त एक छोटा उपाय झाला. भारतीयांनी त्यांचा व्यवसाय जगाच्या कानाकोपऱ्यात पोहोचवला पाहिजे, पण उद्योजकांना अनेक प्रश्न पडले आहेत. निर्यात कशी करावी, कुठे करावी, कोणती उत्पादने निवडावी आणि परदेशी ग्राहकांची मागणी कशी पूर्ण करावी. काळजी करू नका, आपली सर्व उत्तरे मेड इन स्वदेशी ॲपवर मिळवा. आमचे NRI प्रमोटर तुम्हाला फॉरेन बायर्सपर्यंत पोहोचवण्यास मदत करतील व एक चांगले एक्सपोर्ट व्यासपीठ मिळवून देतील, ज्यात NRI आणि भारतीय एक्सपोर्टर हे स्वदेशी उत्पादने आणि त्यांची परदेशातील सुरक्षित विक्रीची पद्धत यावर सविस्तर चर्चा करू शकतील. तसेच तुमच्या उत्पादनांची गुणवत्ता तपासून आम्ही तुम्हाला देऊ उच्च गुणवत्तेची खात्री देणारे मेड इन स्वदेशी मार्क. स्वदेशी मिशन केवळ भारतीय निर्यातदारांपुरते मर्यादित नाही, तर NRI भारतीयांना सुद्धा बिझनेस करण्यास मदत करेल. हे ॲप भारतीय एक्सपोर्टर, परदेशी इम्पोर्टर आणि NRI भारतीय भागीदारांच्या सर्व गरजा भागवण्यासाठी तयार केले गेले आहे. तेव्हा आजच हे ॲप्लिकेशन डाउनलोड करा आणि आमचे सभासद व्हा.